What's the difference between a bookkeeper and an accountant? And are you an accountant?
Well, in some states, Tennessee's one of them, that I could say that I'm an accountant and a bookkeeper. I call myself a bookkeeper because in other states, which I want to represent myself in, they make you have a license for that. Now, I don't have to have a license because I'm in Tennessee. But just to help avoid confusion, I call myself a bookkeeper. Some people would say that bookkeeping is the categorization and some of the reporting, and some people would call accountants the ones that maybe prepare taxes. A bookkeeper could file taxes if you know the tax laws, but CPA is someone that's a title that no one can have unless they have that designation awarded to them by their state. And they have a lot more stringent rules, but they also have some capabilities. They do a lot of reporting that's more diverse than a bookkeeper or a regular accountant would have, just a different segment of the accounting field.
An accountant doesn't necessarily do bookkeeping, but a bookkeeper doesn't always do accounting. They're somewhat separate. Sometimes they're the same, but they definitely have different duties. Is that right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And in other words, if you're making money, period, more than 100,000 sales, you should definitely have a bookkeeper.
Watch the full interview on YouTube, like and share it on social media, and join the Academy at Trusted House Painter and grow your painting business.